So hi guys, so for today's video, mapapansin nyo ang kalat na. We have another Japan haul items from CC Keiko. So I'll show you what's inside one by one. So first item guys is itong Chococat na plush charm. So sana maglabas na sila ng iba pang mga merch or more merch. Kasi as of now, parang super limited nang nire-release nilang merch ni Chococat. Next guys is itong coin case. So ayan siya. We have 3 designs, Keroppi, Little Twin Stars, and si Maroon Cream. So, yan, ganyan siya. Next is itong mini memo pad na usahana. So, dalawa yan. We also have Cinnamoroll. Memo pad din guys. And itong usahana na letter set. We have big memo pads here. We have Kuromi, Sanrio Fam ulit, Buds Maru, Hangyo. Another big memos here. We have HK, Happy Danbui, Kuditama, Pochako, and Keroppi. Here's another batch of big memo, guys. We have HK, Sugar Bunnies. Ang haba naman ng name. Basta yan siya. And Charmy Kitty. Sayang nga wala na yung usahanan na ganito. Pero I'm still hoping na makuha ko yung usahanan na design na ganito. And last for this Japan haul items are square memos. So we have Mikitaki na Sanrio Farm. We have Hanamaru and another Hanamaru na square memo. So that's it for today's video again guys. And abangan nyo ulit yung mga design neto sa mga shorts. Ipopost ko yan again one by one. So that's it for today's video guys. Siguro mga mga next month pa ulit ang Japan haul items ko. Yung mga na-mine ko before, parating pa lang siya. So yun guys, thank you again for watching. Until next video, bye bye guys.